What's up guys, welcome back, and today we're going to be playing TT Rockstars. Just going to show you what I can do on this. I'm not sure how long we're going to be doing this for, but we're going to do it. Hopefully my editor blurs this out. Alright guys, so I just want you to watch me. We're just going to be playing some TT.
10 times, 10 times, 12 times, 30, 70, 6, 4, 7, 1, 7, 7, 7, 1, 3, 1, 9, 10, 18, 12 times 9, 70, 108 divided by 9, 5, 12 times, 10, 5 times, 5, 11, 6, 10 times 10, 28, 36, 7, 8, 12 times 12, 70, 30 divide 28, 9 times 12, 100, 12 times 100, 132, 11 times 90 divide 36 divide 3, 11, 8, 7, 6 times 60 divided 90, 112 times 8, 9 times 3 times 40 divided 9, 8, 9 times 7, 2 times 7, 9 times 9, 6, 12 times 8, 24 1, 7, 18, 5 times 11 times 81 divided by 9, 7, 5 times 4, 10 times 6 times 10, 20, 5 times 5, 12 times 7, 184 divided 5 times 6, 9, 5 times 4, 1, 30 divided 11 times 12, 3, 9 times 12, 12 times, 9 times, 12 times, 9 times, 1, 7, 2 times, 10, 60, 20 divided by 5.